Assalamualaikum. In grade 3, how are you boys? Hope so fine. Let's start our routine video. This is the summary video for today. Subject Science Class 3, Unit 6, Forces and Movement. Lesson 6.2, Changing Shapes. From your learner book, page number 60 and 61, and your homework for today, page number 34. First of all, learning objective, explore how forces can change the shape of objects. Collect evidence in a variety of contexts to answer question or test ideas. We did this in the class using activity and also solve the exercise. Okay, let's start chapter 6.2, changing shape. Forces can change the shape of things. Yeah, if you are enforce something, put your force on anything, it can change the shape. For example, you can see here a baker. A baker uses a force when making bread. You can see here, he just putting his force on the bread. For making bread, he just put his force like this. So we can say with the help of forces, we can change the shape of floor. Now you can see it's not a floor further. It's not changing to bread. Okay. After this, second thing, this carpenter is using a force to curve the board. Yeah, you can see curve the board. So he can. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one. He can using his force. Okay, on the tool and change the shape or make the curve on the door or on the, you can say, bed, chair, anything, but in the on the wood. So a carpenter is using force to change the shape of the wood. So he can change the shape of wood with the help of force. And this is potter using clay. This potter is using a force to create a clay pot. You can see here, it's a clay. So he's putting his force on clay and then make a shape of a pot. So like this, different worker doing the different jobs with the help of force. Even with the help of force, we can push and pull. This all happened with the help of force. Without force, you cannot push or pull anything. So let's check, investigate about forces. Drop a ball of clay. Like this, you can see. What happened? Draw a ball of clay from the height of 5, 5 centimeter. If you have ruler, you can measure and throw a clay ball. Okay, after this, observe what happens to the wall of clay. Write down your observation or draw what the clay look like. If you are putting from here to here, it's changed the shape or no? Shape the clay into a ball again. Drop the ball from a height of 10 centimeter from here. And then what is the effect on the ball of clay? If it's wet, so if it's falling down from here, it changes shape. So drop the ball of clay from three more different heights. Use your idea about force to explain the pattern. Yeah, obviously was, if a less from less place, or you can say from less effort, you can say your less distance. So if it's fallen down, no anything, no, you can say more effect happened on the ball of clay. But as you going up 10 centimeter, 20, 30, 40, like this, as you can moving up and throwing the clay, it's change its shape little bit because it's clay. Same like this, the second thing, drop a ball onto object. Like this is an object, you can drop a ball from up to down. Okay, for this you need a small heavy ball, different objects, a paper clip also. Like this, you put the ball from inside. Okay, for this you need to do, try using your hand to change the shape of the object in front of you. Yeah, which were easy to change. It's easy. Use a wide tall paper tube to drop a heavy ball onto the object, because if you're throwing the ball, maybe it's not fallen here. So but if you're using the this is a paper, so the ball going exactly on onto the object. So first predict what will happen to each material. Use a table like this. You can see if you put the biscuit and you throw the ball, so it's fallen down. It's hard ball, so it's fallen down, broke into five pieces. Clay, okay, change the shape. You can say change the shape or not broke anything. Raw vegetable, not change. Cooked vegetable, splash or fallen down. Stone, you can say no, not broke or not break. Okay, so this is upon you which kind of material you are using. And prediction, it's broke or not broke. You can use only two, not need two more anything. Okay, it's broke or not, sorry, it's break or not break. If it's break, you write here break. If not break, you write here not break. Okay, or unbreakable. So after this here, write if what's the result. Broke into five pieces. If not break, same like this, not change shape. Okay, a raw vegetable. If a change shape or flat surface, you can also write this as you can. Okay, boys. After this, do all material change shape when they are pulled or pushed by hand? Obviously. So you can say some will, but it depends on how hard the material is. For example, if you're using on clay, so it's soft. So it's there is you can say there is effect on it. But we are using stone. What do you think? Is there any effect? No, it will not change shape. Stone, it will not change shape. List some workers who have to change the shape of material. On the first page, you can easily write carpenter, baker, and potter. Okay, builder. All these you can write. You can write any name. Okay, they are working and changing the shape. Okay, boys. Page number 34. Your homework. Goodbye, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.